the blue turf to the vibrant streets of downtown to the beautiful Idaho outdoors, Boise in the summer is filled with the spirit of adventure. And nobody knows how to live it up in the city of trees just like our Boise State Broncos do. Today, we're highlighting 3 more of our favorite summer activities for you to check off of your Boise State bucket list.
All right, y'all ready to rock and roll? Let's do it!
My name is Maddie and I'm a senior majoring in business administration. Today, we're back with 3 more of our favorite activities in sightseeing, entertainment, and outdoor recreation that you can add to your bucket list. They all require a little bit of pocket change, but they're well worth it. If you haven't already, check out our last video on free things to do in Boise during the summer. And we'll also be sharing video from students like you on things to do in the summer through your own eyes. I just crossed over Friendship Bridge and within 60 seconds, I'm at Zoo Boise. On a good day like today, you can see the giraffe's head poking out through the trees. It's a great excuse to just walk right over to the zoo and enjoy an afternoon with your friends and to enjoy the company of some exotic animals as well. Pro tip, on Thursdays it's only $8. If you ever come visit, make sure you go see the red panda besties, Ginger and Natasha. With all of Idaho's natural beauty to take in, can you imagine a more picturesque backdrop to your Boise State experience? There's so much to do, it can be hard to know where to start.
There's so many different spots to like jump in the water in the river and go for a quick swim, and the green belt goes all along through different parks in Boise.
The Boise River, which runs right through campus, is the perfect place for a shaded beachside picnic or a quick plunge that will relieve you from the high temperatures. But the nearby Payette River is the perfect place for thrill seekers with a little dose of adrenaline with whitewater rafting.
Oh yeah!
The outdoor program with Boise State's Rec Center organizes student trips on the Payette and other locations in Idaho so you can meet new friends while you get your nature fix.
Hands in the air!
No experience or equipment is needed, the Rec Center has it all. Our outdoor program can accommodate all levels of ability while you enjoy the beautiful scenery Idaho has to offer. Boise is a hotspot for up-and-coming musicians with our vibrant art scene. There's tons of ways to discover incredible music throughout the year. My favorite is by going to the Great Garden Escape at the Idaho Botanical Garden. Here you can enjoy incredible views of the foothills while enjoying both national and local bands. Bring a chair, blanket, and a cooler, or purchase food and drink on site for a perfect picnic. There's no better way to take in the oasis of the meditation garden while with hundreds of other music lovers.
I knew y'all would come out. Boise always comes out. Seriously.
There are a million ways to enjoy summertime in Boise, and us Broncos know how to enjoy every bit of sunshine and time with good friends. But don't take my word for it. Let's take another glimpse at what Boise State students have to say about what summertime is really like in Boise.
Drink a lot of water because it gets hotter than you think here. But everything is super beautiful. The trees are super beautiful during the summer, so it's worth it.
For chilling out, I would go to the river, kind of set up a chair, hang out with some friends, and just like listen to music and kind of just vibe on the river.
So what's on your Boise State bucket list? You can share your adventures with us by using hashtag Boise State Bucket List. You can go to the description and follow our directions on how to submit your own video, or you can just comment below and let us know what you're up to this summer. Until next time, stay cool out there, and as always, go Broncos.